Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can create your account in Amazon Chimes. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to create your account in Amazon Chimes, all you need to do is simply tap open the Amazon Chime app. So simply type in your email address, and once you're done with it, simply tap on sign in/sign up. After you do so, you will be redirected to another page which will probably look like this. So once you are redirected, you will end up in this interface where all you need to do now is simply tap on create an Amazon account. So once you tap on create your Amazon account, you need to type in your first name, your last name, your email ID, and then the password of your account. Then you need to finally re-enter your password to confirm and match your set password. So once you're done filling in all these four asked credentials, simply tap on create your Amazon account. After this step is also completed, you will be now taken to this interface where you need to now solve a puzzle to verify yourself. So once the puzzle is solved, you need to tap on confirm and your account will be protected. Once you do so, you need to now verify your email address by typing in your OTP, and after this step is done, you need to add your mobile phone number and simply follow the on-screen prompts given to successfully create an account in Amazon Chimes. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.